Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Control Center. This is where you actually edit what appears. Once there, make sure access within apps is enabled if you want controls available everywhere, and then tap Customize Controls to see the current list. You'll see included controls at the top and more controls below. This division matters because included items show immediately, whereas more items must be added. Now, prepare to add or remove modules. This is the first actionable step that changes your quick settings. You add modules by tapping the plus icon next to any control in More Controls. This moves it into Included Controls so it appears in Control Center. Conversely, tap the minus icon on an included item and confirm to remove it. This keeps your panel focused. To change order, press and hold the 3-line handle and drag controls up or down because order dictates accessibility. The top items are quickest to reach. Once done, swipe to test and fine-tune the arrangement for speed. You finish by opening Control Center, swipe from the corner, and testing each module to confirm functionality. Make sure shortcuts respond as expected. If a newly added control does not show, restart the iPhone first, because temporary glitches often clear with a reboot. If problems persist, go back to Settings Control Center and remove, then re-add the item, or reset settings as a last resort. This resets layout without deleting your data. One troubleshooting tip: check for iOS updates, since software fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.